OpenOffice, and this is Writer, the word processing application of OpenOffice. The first time you open it, you may see this grey screen. You may not. It may be that there's a white page on it. Whichever one, we'll walk you through. From this drop-down menu, you can choose different types of document that you want to open. In our case, we want to open a text document. And this is what we see, a blank white page. You will always notice that you've got on the top row here, File menu, which has different things on it, like the Formatting menu, where you can actually format your document. The File menu, where you can go to save, export, or print your document. You also have some of these repeated along the second row, which the icons here are basically shortcuts for the menus, or I should say some shortcuts that run the menu items. For instance, print is a shortcut to your printer. It's also the shortcut that you find on the File menu and the Print. Okay, the third row is your Formatting toolbar, and you'll find most of these items on the Format toolbar up here. You may find one or two others from a different menu, but all this top area is basically area to give you shortcut, quick and easy ways of doing things once you become more familiar with using OpenOffice. And it doesn't matter whether it's in Writer, Calc, or any other OpenOffice application like Draw or Impress. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do once we've opened our document now is we need to save it. And to save it, you need to go to File, Save As. If it's the first time you're saving a document, you choose Save As. And that pops a dialog box. And in this dialog box, it normally defaults to My Documents. Now, you can save it directly raw into My Documents, as we see here, just a file on its own, or you can create a folder for it. And it's advisable to keep your My Documents clean. And when I mean clean, a bit of file management, everything in its place into different folders as we have here. So to create a new folder, we go Create New Folder, and we give it a name, and we call it Office. Just click on it there, and it'll open inside the folder itself. Now we can give it a name, and we'll call this First, because it's the first document that we are actually creating. So save First, in by clicking the Save button. Once you click there, you're away. Now, it's no good saving an empty blank document. It's absolutely no good to anybody. So what we're going to do, we're just going to type in any bit of text. Doesn't matter what it is, it's going to be any bit of text. So we're just going to tap the keyboards, hold down the Shift key, enter, new line in, Shift key, Shift and enter again. And we've put in any bit of gibberish text by tapping on the keyboards. We now have a document with some text in it. If we wanted to save this, since it's changed from the original, we have two options. we can just click on the save icon, or we can go to File, Save. Since we've already used the File menu, let's have a look at trying to use the icons. So we save it, and as you'll notice, the icon goes greyed out to indicate that this document has been saved. Okay, so let's close this down. Now we go File, Close. Now, for argument's sake, let's say we want to open a document in Office. We want to open and write a document and do some more work on it. For argument's sake, we worked on it yesterday, we're coming back and we want to do some more work on it today. Well, we have a couple of options. We can go to File, Open, and we can navigate around our system, but as in this case, it's gone to where we saved the document. But let's say it didn't. Let's say it went to My Documents. Well, you'd be in My Documents. You'd have to click on the folder that you saved it in, or you'd have to click on the file, then choose the file, and it will open. Or we could use the shortcut icon that we have here, Open. If you don't go directly to the document that you want, you'll have to use drop down box, or this drop down box, and navigate to where it is, select it, and it will open in Writer for you straight away. Okay, once we've done that, we've decided we're going to put some more text in our document, and we're going to save it again. We go File, Save, and close our document. And that concludes the first lesson of using OpenOffice Writer, saving and opening documents. So for me, it's goodbye and see you in the next lesson.